Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the beginner-friendly guide on how you can use Google Apps Script to make your spreadsheets smarter, whether it's automating reports, sending emails, or scheduling tasks. So first you can open your Google Sheets and then click on Extension and then find the App Scripts option. So tap on that. This will open the code editor where you can start writing scripts. And now after it's open, you can just start with something simple. You can write a simple script. So for example, a script that will automatically add today's that whenever you enter new data, here you can just write this, for example, and then this code says that whenever you type something in a column A, column B will automatically insert today's date. And after that, you can just save and run. So you can click on the save button in here and then give your project a name and then run the functions for the first time. And you'll need to allow permissions, so don't worry, this is safe. And you can also use it to automation, so it will automatically send emails when data changes, create daily reports, or connect with other Google apps like Calendar and Gmail. If you're new to coding, you don't need to worry because App Scripts use a JavaScript and you can start small. Even simple script can save you tons of time. And that's it. You know now how to automate Google Sheets with Google Apps Script. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.